If you want to disable EasyWP Auto Renew, I'll show you the quickest way to do it inside Namecheap. This is a simple but important step if you no longer want your EasyWP subscription to renew automatically and charge your card again later. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to turn it off safely. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and web hosting guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. Sign in with the account that has your EasyWP subscription. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the Apps section and click on it. This is where Namecheap keeps app-related services and subscriptions, including EasyWP. After that, find and click Subscriptions. This section will show you the active services tied to your account, so you can manage renewals and billing settings from one place. Now look for EasyWP in the list. Next to EasyWP, you should see a toggle for Auto Renew. To stop the subscription from renewing automatically, turn that toggle off. Once the toggle is disabled, EasyWP Auto Renew should be turned off, which means you will not be charged again when the current billing period ends. It's always a good idea to double check that the settings save correctly before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled EasyWP Auto Renew in Namecheap. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and comment below if you want help with any other Namecheap or EasyWP settings.